Independence Day for tomorrow. We have gathered here with the 9 NGOs to clean up, and our message is very clear. So we want to show our place very, clean, and from the different parts from our country will come here and can enjoy here.
So what is your hobby and for tomorrow upcoming? What will you show for the public?
We want to show our place in the, uh, you know, around the people can come here and they can see the cleanliness and the natural beauty of this place.
So tomorrow you have organized any program for that?
Now we are not organized for tomorrow. We have organized today because tomorrow is the 15th August Independence Day.
Okay. But every public can visit.
Yeah, every public can visit.
Okay, two things you have been conducted. One is the planting tree and one is the cleanliness of the
Yes.
this ecotourism that places, right?
Yes.
So for the planting tree, what we do is say that once the plant has been planted, for the watering level, what is it you say?
So plantation is very important. We know we have to protect our environment. If we plant the trees, in return of that, we'll get the oxygen. So oxygen is very important for the people and for human being.
But cutting down the trees, what do you say? Many people used to cut down the trees.
So there is the already government is there. So I request the government to protect it.
Lastly, would like to ask you that once the BPF government has come, all the youths are very strong, and this is very activated for the public also, and for the profit for the public also.
Yes.
Because the last time we can see at the BPF government there was a plantation of the Ignis World Record, right?
Yes, yes,
But
yes.
all the trees has been dead away.
Yes, yes.
Is there thing will come back in the BPF?
No. Actually, the previous government, which they have done the plantation, it was for only showing the people that they are in favor of plantation, in favor of the environment. But then we are discussing in the real sense. We have to plant the trees. Along with that, we have to provide the necessary things to the trees, such as protection, water, everything.
Lastly, would you like to say for the also visitors of the public, also comes to the public picnic spots, because they used to carry lots of waters,
Yes.
and they used to throw less wasted waters.
Yes, yes,
So what
yes,
would you
yes.
say that they can use that water in the plantation? It's very
Yeah,
benefit for
yeah.
everyone. What do you say?
For today's program is for that. We are going to give the message to the tourists who will come here. They shouldn't throw the water. They can use the wastewater in the trees, which we have planted today.
That is benefit for everyone.
Yeah, benefit for the trees as well as for the human being.
Thank you.
That's enough.